In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. We'll walk through installing the Zoom add-in in Outlook, then creating a calendar event that automatically includes your Zoom meeting details, all without leaving Outlook. Start by opening Outlook and heading to your main mail view. At the top, make sure you're on the Home tab so you can access the tools we need. From there, open the Add-ins menu, then choose Get Add-ins. This opens the catalog where you can find integrations that work inside Outlook. In the search bar, type Zoom for Outlook. Look for the official Zoom for Outlook add-in in the results and select it to open its details page. Click Add to install it to your Outlook account. If your organization manages add-ins, you might see a note that requires admin approval. Otherwise, the installation should finish in a few moments, and you can close the add-ins window when it's done. Next, switch to your Outlook calendar. You'll usually find it on the left side of the app. Create a new event by selecting New Meeting or New Event. This opens the meeting composer where you'll set up the invite. In the event window, look for the Add a Zoom Meeting button in the ribbon or toolbar. Click it, and the Zoom add-in will generate a unique meeting and drop the join information right into your invite. The first time you use it, you may be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. Go ahead and log in, and once you're authenticated, the add-in remembers you for next time. After the meeting is added, open Settings within the Zoom add-in to fine-tune options. Here you can choose whether video starts on or off for the host and participants, set audio preferences, and apply security controls like a passcode or waiting room. Pick the settings that match your meeting style, then confirm. Now complete the Outlook invite as you normally would. Add a clear title, set the date, time, and time zone, and enter your attendees in the required or to field. If you have an agenda or prep notes, include them in the body so everyone knows what to expect. When everything looks right and the Zoom details are in place, click Send. Your attendees will receive a calendar invite that already includes the Zoom link and any dial-in information, and the event will appear on your calendar with the Zoom meeting attached. If you ever don't see the Add a Zoom Meeting button, confirm the add-in is installed and that you're composing a calendar event. That's all it takes to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook.